Hello, oopla, Bobby Hoke do baby. Hello, dwi'n y tywyllwch, roswch. Gadewch I fi ddeff yr adna ni, na welliant. Chi'n gallu gweld fi nawr. Dyma Bad Company I agor y rhaglen heddiw. Croeso nôl I The Bubes. Rydych chi'n gwrando ar Oopla Bobby Hoke do a dyna Bad Company yn dechrau'r rhaglen. Rydw i'n crafu fy nghlist, rydw i'n falch I fod nôl. Mae angen ymlacio, mae angen chwarae CDs. Dydyn ni ddim wedi clywed nhw o'r blaen. Dyna yw meini prawf. This is the criteria, everybody. The cry, joyous teria of Oopla Bobby Hoke do. Dydw I ddim wedi clywed Seal, yr album gyfan. Dwi wedi clywed cwbl o ganeuon, so dwi'n clywed hwnna. Ges I rhain, I bought these for 20p. 20p each, 5 for £1. Pimp am bint. O, Tori Amos. Ydw i'n gallu eistedd trwy can gan Tori Amos. Mae hi ychydig yn wrth ddiwiol. Ond dyle hwnna ddim stopio ni. Simple Minds o 2014. Ydy, mae e'n swnio mor wael ag yw e'n swnio ar bapur. Ond dyma ni McFly, Greatest Hits. Peidiwch â chaniatau I ragfarn reoli chi. Do not let prejudice put a mist over your ears or over your eyes and a muffling dark winter wooden hat over your ears. Duran Duran, yr album cynta. Mi oedd hwnna dyfu am gyfnod. Alicia Keys. The Element of Freedom. Pa mor ddiniwed yw Alicia. Ac yn olaf, a I ddechrau, pwy yw hi? Pwy yw hon? Mae gynnon ni lawer o bethau eraill I chwarae hefyd gyda llaw, ond dwi'n trio swnio yn frwdfrydig ac yn llawn egni. Yn egniol. I'm trying to sound energetic and enthusiastic. So dwi'n mynd I wasgu y botwm. Dewch I ddysgu Cymraeg ar Oopla Bobby Hoke do baby. Dwi'n chwarae y botwm random. Track 4 gan y ferch hon, gewch chi glywed pwy yw I ar ôl clywed y gan. Gwrandwch heb ragryth.
I thought the moment I was leaving, barely breathing, thought of pieces, couldn't face this. Why would I believe it? I was believing it's you and me against the world. Not saying I was afraid of you, won't put the blame on you, but I won't change for you. Just when you thought you dropped me, I gotta drop the news. I'm still existing, I'm still here. I am with or without you. the steps that I was making.
Wow.
On this new planet, never done it, found all I wanted.
Waw, dwi'n mynd i orfod edrych ar y geiriau. Dwi'n mynd i edrych ar y geiriau, da ni'n mynd i edrych ar y geiriau. Mae hwnna'n swnio'n wych. A gadewch i fi ddeud o'r bob can dwi wedi clywed ar yr album yma, 20 ceiniog, 20p for this one. And let me tell you, this sounds good stuff. This sounds like it's been written from the heart. By Leona. I he sgwennodd nhw. I he. Was it her? I he. Was it her? Was it her? Yes, probably. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Ydych ni weld. Written by Diane Warren. Oh, Diane Warren yw'r un nath wneud i Aerosmith swnio fel pop band. Oh, Leona Lewis. Written. I Am by Leona Lewis. Toby Gad and Francis White. Da iawn. Beth am y geiriau? Beth am y geiriau? What about? What about the words? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Through. I thought the moment I was leaving, barely breathing, I'd fall to pieces. Couldn't face this. Why would I be leaving? I was believing it's you and me against the world. Not saying I was afraid of you. Won't put the blame on you, but I won't change for you. Just when you thought you'd drop me, I gotta drop the news. I'm still existing. I'm still here. Perthnasol iawn yw Pla Bobby Hawk dw. Sorry am beidio bod yma am gyhyd. Nid bod e'n pwysig, nid bod neb yn poeni, ond dwi'n meddwl os oes gen i gyfle i siarad a chyfarch a chwarae music a darllen ychydig o bethau diddorol, yna does neb yn mynd i stopio fi, rhag gwneud. Na. I am, with or without you, I am. Breathing without you, I am. Somebody without you, I am. I am free without you, I am stronger without you. Thought I would never rise again, but I am. Now, in ysbrydol, spiritually, one could say is this double meaning, slightly anti-God, possibly. But if it's an expression of self-belief and determination to persevere in a battle, well, good for you, Leona. Rhwng pawb a'i cydwybod, dweda I. So, am hwnna, dwi'n rhoi, ni'n mynd i farcio nhw. Oes gen I sgôr marcio. Na I chwilio am y sgôr marcio. Os sgwennu nhw mas, ni nawr yn mynd I rando ar McFly. Dyma McFly, mynd I wasgu o'r CD Greatest Hits. Da ni'n mynd I rando ar y gan random ar hap, can rif 9. Gobeithio mai nid. O, enw hon yw Ultraviolet.
Nothing goes to plan.
Jellyfish.
It's all a game of chance, they say in Wonderland. There's magic in the air, a tragic love affair that I don't understand. These summer girls are really something else. Our lights are sharp and the nights are long. And this is Halloween. He's drinking at the bar again in New Orleans. She throws another dart and narrowly avoids my lonely broken heart. Torn apart. These summer girls are really something else. My lights are sharp and the nights are long.
Okay, wel, bod e'n swnio'n gynhyrfus, rydw i'n gofod bod yn onest, 10 mlynedd yn ôl a mwy fydden ni wedi caru hwnna. Mor hafaidd a mor soniarus a mor ananffodus ystradebol. It's a little bit stereotypical of the pop sound. It's a little painting by numbers, but dwi dal yn mynd I roi marc hael iddo fe. So mae McFly yn cael 56 y cant. Mae Leona yn cael... Mae'n rhaid fi ddweud o'n i'n hoffi yn fawr iawn. Dwi'n mynd i roi 79 y cant i hwnna. Ar gan agoriadol Bad Company, Bad Co, dwi'n mynd i roi, nawr ta, well gen i Fogat, well gen i Status Quo. Fogat yn llawer well na Status Quo. Ond dwi'n mynd i roi... I Bad Company, oedd e'n dda, dwi'n mynd i roi 62 y cant i hwnna. Can fydden ni ddim yn gwrando ni fel arfer, mae'n rhaid fi gyfadde, dim hyd yn oed pan o'n i yn fy arddegau. Doeddwn i ddim yn fan o'r Bad Company. Felly, dwi wedi rhoi marc hael iawn fyna. So dyna'r marciau hyd yn hyn. Hopefully, I can also add some valuable, thoughtful sentiment and descriptive interpretation of music as an art form, which gives me time to press this. Have we got any of this? Oh, diolch byth. Okay, tra bod bach yn helpu fi setlo, dwi'n mynd i chwarae Alicia Keys, can o'r album The Element of Freedom. Unwaith eto, why is freedom so regarded as such an important characteristic of the human condition? It is. It's very important. It's very, 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 very important. But freedom to do what? That's the question that we must ask. And maybe I'll turn to scripture to see if we can get any insight to that. Be mae hi'n deud now? Hold on, I'm going to wipe it back.
The day came when the risk it took to remain tightly closed in a bud was more painful.
Let's see it again.
The day came when the risk it took to remain tightly closed in a bud was more painful than the risk it took to bloom. This is the element of freedom.
Where people don't see what I see, even when they're right there, standing next to me. And all of my friends think I'm crazy for loving you. What they don't know, there's nothing else I can do. And it's too bad, 'cause love is mine. It's too bad. It's too bad, 'cause love is mine. It's too bad. So bad. It's too bad, 'cause love is mine. It's too bad, it don't matter, baby. It's too bad, 'cause love is mine. It's too bad. So sad. See, people don't know what I know.
Y peth gweitha am hwn, mae'n rhaid fi gael ddeud, yw pa mor ddiflach yw'r pennill, bach yn, dim digon o alaw, a pha mor siomedig yw'r llais yn yr pennill. Ond yn y gitgan, mae'n cynhyrfu chydig bach, a mae yna rhythm. Ond yna, mae'n rhy araf. Ar ail gan yw ar ôl yr cyflwyniad llythr o siarad yna, lle does dim llawer o eglurhad beth sydd yn ceisio cael ei fynegu. Nawr te, sa'n mynd i rando yna fe eto, nes i ddim gwrando yna fe, digon anodd. O, dwi'n gwybod, aros yn y blagur yn hytrach na blodeo. Nawr, mae hwnna'n ddiddorol. Yndi. Ond bydden ni'n gallu dweud wrth ti, Alicia, mae gofal Duw am y blodau a'r adar yn rhagorol, ond mae ofal amdanom ni yn fwy. Dwi'n credu hwnna. Dwi'n credu bod Duw yn gofalu am bobl sy'n ymddiried yno fe. Felly, yn yr ysbryd yna, mae rhaid i ni weithredu yn gyfrifol, yn frwdfrydig, heb bwdi, os dim eisiau pwdi, dim ond caru pawb. Felly hwnna, Alicia, i fi yw yr elfen o ryddid sydd gen i. Mae gen i ryddid i garu, gan fod Duw yn fy ngharu i. A dwi'n fodlon gyda beth dwi'n newydd ddweud. Ardderchog. Mae rhaid i ni rand o Simple Minds nawr. Dwi'n rhoi 58 i hwnna, then chydig bach yn well na McFly, oherwydd roedd yna elfennau o wreiddioldeb yna. Ond, na, mi wellodd y gitgan. Da iawn, Hyw. Diolch am ei gilydd. Diolch am rand o bobl. Drwchwch ar hwn. O'n i'n meddwl bod y siop elusen wedi rhoi'r CD anghywir mewn. Ond wedyn, gwelais i hwn wedi ysgrifennu ar y slif. Enw hwn yw Simple Minds, a enw'r album yw Big Music. Nawr mae gan The Waterboys brynes i pan o'n i'n 18 ar record 12 modfedd o'r enw The Big Music. I have heard. A nes i gynnwys un o'r cymalau, un o'r cwpledi, oedd yn y gan yna, I have drowned, but I find I'm still alive. I have drowned in the big sea, but I find I'm still alive. So nes i ganu yn gan Bethan, gafodd ei recordio i Radio Cymru, wedes i, rwy wedi boddi o'r dan y don, ond eto dwi'n fyw. Ac wrth gwrs, rhoddodd Bethan hyg i fi ti a mis yn ôl, a dweud, welwn i ti yn y caffi. Fe briododd Beth, un o fy ffrindiau gorau. Sa'n mynd i sôn rhagor am hwnna. Dyma ni, gadewch ni glywed random, dim y gan agoriadol, neu os gawn ni sraglen llawn cyneuon agoriadol, bydd e'n un ffurfiol iawn. Dyna Simple Minds, a mae'n rhaid i gael gwar na fe. Y reswm ystynnes i hwn, dwi'n mynd i chwarae chydig bach o hwn, nawr roeddwn ni'n caru Switchfoot, ond erbyn diwedd ddegawd ddiwetha, fe roedd Switchfoot, fy hoff bandi o America, heblaw am Reliant K a Mute Math, yn cynhyrchu recordiau, pa flwyddyn ddath hwn mas? 2018 ath hwn mas. Grandwch ar hon. The Tripe. Na i cyfanallai ddweud. Absolute Tripe oedd yn cael ei gynhyrchu gan y grŵp yma. Grandwch ar hwn. Grandwch nawr.
Sing to me, baby, in your native tongue. Sing the words of the wise and the...
O, mae mor siomedig. Mae'n swnio fel gweithdai cyfansoddi caneuon.
Sometimes it feels so small, yeah, like a picture on your wall.
Na. Grandwch ar hwn. Mae'n swnio mor fecanyddol. Torri di galon ni.
My words come out like an avalanche in silence. Hey, you've got oceans
Ac yn y
trapped.
blaen, a mi allan ni chwarae ragor.
Melody starts, echoing breath,
Please.
echoing fear,
Just...
echoing
Na.
death.
O, boes bach. Sut i wneud ti dy hunan swnio fel peiriant?
Everything fell to pieces when my eyes met yours in the hospital gown.
Na, does dim sôn am ysbytai. Dyna beth sydd wedi digwydd i fywyd. Mae wedi troi fel peiriant.
You're still there in the back of my mind. In that sunset together.
Nawn ni'n rand o'n hwn.
Looking back, I see the warning
O
sign.
le mae hwn yn swnio traw.
Calling us now and never. Every move that makes love seem easy. They fall in love like a fire burns. Maybe you're...
Mae'n llawn effeithiau sain. Just... Mae hwn, oedd hwn, dim ond un waith, dwi wedi gwrando ar hon, o'n i mor siomedig efo fe. Dwi ddim, dim ond, a faint 5 mlynedd yn diweddarach. Ges i hwn o Spillers, o'n i'n barist bod nhw wedi gwrando arno fe. Oedd e'n gymaint o siom. A'r rheswm dwi'n sôn am hwnna yw, mae, ai dyma beth sydd ganddyn nhw fan hyn. Ai dyma be mae Simple Minds yn neud. Gofyn ydw i, dwi'n dweud, cos dwi'n gwybod mae rwtch yw hwn. Dwi'n gwybod mae rwtch yw hwn. A dwi'n siarad dweud hwnna yn onest. Nid ymfflamychol ydw i. Rwtch yw e. Dwi dal yn caru Switchfoot, ond, ti'n gwybod, dwi ddim wedi... Nes i ddim gwrando ar y peth diwetha nesaf nhw, cos o'n i ofn bys fe yr union yr un peth. A weles i John Foreman mewn studio yn actio fel dwi'n actio nawr, bach yn ymfflamychol, oedd e wedi blino. So dyma can Simple Minds, okay? Yr un gan, gadewch ni ddadansoddi di. Right, dyma hi. Oops, sorry. Neidiodd yr CD fyna ar ôl i fi gicio'r bwrdd. Dechrau cholli ni. Wpla, Bobby Hog 2, baby. Dyma ni. Switchfoot yn y studio fan hyn. So, drwm enfawr. You know. trydydd gwaith I fi glywed y gan. Mae'r gitgan fel un Alicia Keys yn achub beth oedd yna yn barod, ond dydy dal ddim yn dda, a pam dwi wedi rhoi 58 I Alicia, a dim ond 40 I Simple Minds, wel, rhagfarn llwyr yw hwnna. Mae'r ddau, ddweud y gwir, dwi'n mynd I newid y marciau. Dwi'n dynnu nhw reit lawr. Dyn nhw ddim yn heiddi 58. Dydy Alicia Keys ddim yn heiddi 58. Mae McFly just about yn heiddi 56. Mae Leona Lewis yn heiddi 79. Nawr pam? Ni'n mynd I fynd nôl. Ni'n mynd I fynd nôl. Dwi'n mynd I ail werthuso y gwerthusiadau. Na chi deitl da. Be ni'n neud, boys? Ni'n ail werthuso y gwerthusiadau. Ni'n ail werthuso y gwerthusiadau. We're re-evaluating the evaluations. Dyna be newn ni nawr. Dwi'n mynd I fynd nôl. A falle, newn ni ffeindio can dda ar y CD Switchfoot. A dyna fydd diwedd y rhaglen. Wedi'r cyfan, mae llai yn amgenach. A down ni nôl I edrych ar Seal, a Rocket Gold Star, a Tori Amos, a rhywbeth arall, Duran Duran, yn y rhaglen nesa. Dwedwch ta-ta, boys. Ta-ta. So, dyn ni'n mynd I rando nawr ar rhywbeth arall eto. Pa un? Pa un di hwn? Leona yw hwn? Okay, Leona enillodd. Gafodd I 79, okay? She won. She had 79. What we're going to do, we're going to go back. Not that song, but the same song. Or should we go for it? Let's have variety, shall we? We'll do both. We'll do the original Leona and we'll listen to another song and then we'll add the totals up.
Thought the moment I was leaving, barely breathing, thought of pieces, couldn't face this. Why would I believe it? I was believing it's you and me against the world. Not saying I was afraid of you, won't put the blame on you, but I won't change for you. Just when you thought you dropped me, I gotta drop the news. I'm still existing, I'm still here. I am with or without you. I am breathing without you. I am somebody without you. I am free without you. I am stronger without you.
Okay, da iawn. Pwy mae hwnna'n atgoffa chi ono fe? Drums a llais pa gan? Helpwch fi. Write down in the comments, please. What song does that... Oh, come on, Hugh. Meddwl amdano fe. Ai Fatboy Slim, yw e? I'm sure. Dwi ddim yn gwybod. Please helpwch fi. Pa gan? What song does Leona Lewis's I Am remind you of? That's what I'm asking in Welsh and in English. Please answer in the comments because it's driving me slightly frustrated. Not mad. Leona Lewis. Okay, now we're going to gymharu Leona. So we're not going to listen to another Leona Lewis song. This is too much. Right. Leona Lewis, mae'r marc wedi mynd lawr. The mark's gone down. How far has it gone down? Because it resonates so much with regard... It's 61 now. It's gone down to 61. That's the second appraisal. It's gone down to 61 and it's very lucky to get that. But it's still got a strong sentiment and a strong narrative, so it would count as an inspiring anthem. Dyma...
The day came when the risk it took to remain tightly closed in a bud was more painful than the risk it took to bloom. This is the element of freedom.
Yeah. Okay, gyda chi fi fod yn honest efo chi, dwi'n hoffi'r piano riff na. That's an improvement from the first listen. I like that piano riff. Mae hwnna'n well iawn.
Well, people don't see what I see, even when they're right there, standing next to me. And all of my friends think I'm crazy for loving you. What they don't know, there's nothing else I can do. And it's too bad 'cause love is blind. It's too bad, it's too bad. It's too bad 'cause love is blind. It's too bad, it's so bad. It's too bad 'cause love is blind. It's too bad it don't matter, baby. It's too bad 'cause love.
Okay, dyma lle mae bywyd yn mynd yn ddiddorol. Mae'r llais yn well, falle oherwydd bod fi wedi gwrando ar Simple Minds a Switchfoot ers i fi glywed Alicia. So mae llais Alicia yn well, mae'r piano yn well, mae'r groove yn fwy greiddiol na un Leona Lewis, felly rydw i'n ail werthuso fan hyn. Dwi wedi trynu Alicia i fyny at... Nawr dwi'n meddwl bod dydy'r caneuon, these songs are not good enough. Dwi ddim yn gwybod pam ydw i'n rhoi marciau mor uchel iddyn nhw. Dwi wedi sgwennu 49% i Alicia Keys a dwi'n meddwl bod hwnna'n iawn. Leona Lewis, mae 61 yn rhy hael. It's too generous to give her 61. I should give her 51. So, Alicia Keys yn cael 49, Leona Lewis yn cael 51. Dwi'n meddwl dylen ni just rhoi 50% i'r ddwy. Dwi'n hapus efo hwnna. So mae'r ddwy gan yna, those two songs, get 50% from me. They're not bad. They're not absolutely amazing. They're halfway house. Da iawn. Diolch yn fawr. Dwi'n hapus efo hwnna. Dwi'n gweithio mas fy systemau marcio. A nawr yw'r cyfle i wrando, i chwilio. Oes na gan gall ar hon. Oes na unrhyw beth werth marcio ar hwn. Cos hyd yn hyn, boys, does dim byd. Mae gan un o fy hoff grwpiau, Beautiful Letdown, ewch chi draw fy nhar fy sylf, fe welwch chi pob album eblaw my diwetha gan Switchfoot. Mae'r clawr ar dylunio yn dweud y cyfan. Pwy bynnag gafodd ei cyflogi i wneud hwnna fel clawr, drychwch ar hwnna. Pa mor ddiog a di-ddychymig a di-fflach a gwbl warthus o glawr. Digitaleiddio pwdwr yw hwnna. Cyn i ni hyd yn oed drio gwrando ar y caneuon. Dwi'n chwerthin gyda llaw. Dwi yn chwerthin. Mae eisiau chwerthin. Boes bach. Reit, pan glywes i hon yn gyntaf, o'n i'n meddwl, gred, mae'n swnio fel rhywbeth arall. Reit, gwrandwch. Dychmyga'r gan yna, right? Be chi newydd glywed, yn mynd mlaen am 3 munud a hanner, fel na. Dyna fe sy'n digwydd. Gwrandwch chi dros ych eich hunan, dim eisiau fi egluro.
Voices are screaming, but where is the meaning? Noisy crescendos behind closed windows. The floor is a ceiling, I can't find the feeling of tell me love, tell me, am I dreaming? And where is the meaning of tell me love? Let it happen, tomorrow knows what tomorrow knows. You can't make it get here sooner. Let it
Okay. I'll explain this in English. The feelings towards this album is that they were trying too hard. They just repeated the formulaic switchfoot sound. This life feels hollow and mostly borrowed. Well, so there's this song. The voices are screaming, but where is the meaning? Ask yourselves in your performance. Noisy crescendos behind closed windows. That's what it was like for you, obviously. Now, dwi ddim yn gwamalu yn gellweirus fan hyn. Rydw i'n ceisio gwneud pwynt. Yn y capel dydd Sul, glywson ni. Nawr, dyma lle mae rhaid pwyllo, wrth gwrs. Mae lot o wbla Bobby Hocdw yn tafod yn y boch, okay? Ond mae Luke, ife Luke? Ia, Matthew 7. Mae eisiau i fi sylweddoli, right? Does dim pwynt i fi mewn bywyd fynd o gwmpas. Why do you look at the speck of sawdust in your brother's eye and pay no attention to the plank in your own eye? Wrth i fi ddeud hwn am ddiffygion cerddorol CD native tongue gan Switchfoot, whilst I tear that apart, I must also realise that my recording career is checkered, to say the least. Checkered. Or if in fact we may go into a more detailed description, we'd say it's pretty poor. In fact, one could say it's tangyflawni o radd flaenaf. It's underachieving to the greatest degree. So, how can you say to your brother, let me take the speck out of your eye, when all the time there is a plank in your own eye? Nawr, dyna I chi ffordd hyfryd o fyw bywyd. Fel glywes i dydd Sul. Do not judge, or you too will be judged. For in the same way as you judge others, you will be judged. And with the measure you use, it will be measured to you. So, Hugh, be ti'n mynd i wneud? Ydw i'n mynd i gario ymlaen i dynnu Simple Minds, a Leona, a Bad Company, a McFly, a Alicia, a Simple Minds yn ddarnau? Neu ydw i'n just yn mynd i fwynhau? Am I going to judge them, or am I just going to enjoy them? Hopefully I will do the latter. But it's great fun trying to dissect what makes contemporary art more than the sum of its parts. namely machines. Diolch yn fawr am rando. Wpla Bobby Hockdoo Baby. Sgwennwch os gwelwch yn dda. Sylwadau sydd yn mynd i wneud i fi sylweddoli beth yw'r gan sydd yn swnio'n debyg i Leona Lewis. I am. Wnaethon ni ddim hyd yn oed dechrau ail rando ar McFly. Dwi ddim yn meddwl bys ni'n gallu. Ond, mae'n debyg, a dwi'n cofio nhw'n cael eu chwarae ar y radio, mae'n debyg bod yna berlau pop ar y CD hwn hefyd. Dwi ddim yn gwybod os oes gennau'r amser i chwarae i rando. Efallai tys ni'n siarad llai a gwrando mwy, a bydde yna gyfle. Na chi wers bwysig. Siarada llai a gwranda yn amlach. Wpla.